Driver of the year is
Drivers, what's the secret? I'm like, you gotta own 100% of your mistakes, only own 50% of your success, because the other 50% goes to the people that support you. Nobody can do it alone, and I'm just very humbled by this. And with that $1,000 cash, I'm gonna take my first family vacation with my daughter.
Aww.
We're going to Yellowstone next year.